Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can create and display all-in-one CTA widget on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the widget. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. Navigate to widgets, go to call to action and scroll down to find all-in-one. Click on see designs and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. Enter the name which is easy to remember and mention the website URL where you want to display the widget. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize, and you will be redirected to the customization page. Here we have two sections. The first one is Design. Here we have a live preview screen where you can see how your widget will look like on your website. You can also check how your widget will look like in mobile phone and desktop screen. Then on the right side, we have two main configuration options. In design, you can customize position, animation, icon, background, CTAs, and more. Now the question is how you can add CTAs. It is really simple. You just have to turn on the toggle. If you want to see the preview, click on the icon in the bottom right on preview screen and all CTA options will pop up. You can add or remove any of this by simply turning the toggle on and off. Now, let me show you how you can add URLs and redirect user to desired pages. Let's say you want to redirect users to Facebook Messenger. So go to Facebook, turn the toggle on and add URL in the URL section. You can also set icon, title, background color and more in this section. And if you want to add customized options, you can add it here by clicking the add new button. You will see enter title option. Click on it. You can add your details here and customize required options. You can also set the CTA orders by using drag and drop method. Similarly, you can add CTAs of multiple platforms in one widget. It can be anything like email, call, address link, etc. That is all about the design section. Then we have data and timing configuration. This one is really important. Here we have two different settings available. In other settings, you can choose whether you want to skip syn widget to same visitors during a specific period of time. We recommend you to keep this on, as your visitors might get annoyed looking at the same CTA widget again and again. You can use behavioral rule to set start and expiry date. Keep this blank if you want your widget to be visible all the time. We also have an option to set trigger movements based on exit intent, time-based intent, or scroll-based intent. You can use hide rule if you want to hide the widget after a specific time. So yeah, that's all about the design section. Once you are done with it, click on save button. Now let's move to the display section by clicking the continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display widget, like display it on all pages or specific pages, by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same widget on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display widget to returning or new visitors and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies name and more. Once you have customized both these options, your widget is ready to go live. Simply click on finish button and turn the widget on. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see here, the widget is live on your website. Whenever the visitor will click on these icons, they will be redirected to URLs which you have set. So that is how you can create an all-in-one CTA widget. If you still face any issues while creating all-in-one CTA widget, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.